Hey guys, today I'm decluttering and cleaning my bathroom. It's not too bad in terms of clutter. We have a very tiny bathroom, so I do keep it as minimal as possible, but every now and then I like to do a little sweep and just clear out anything that's not being used anymore or anything that's been used up, that kind of thing. And I'm also going to give the cupboards a clean while I'm in there clearing out things. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of minimalism, cleaning and mummy tips on my channel, so if that's what you're interested in, consider hitting that red subscribe button below and joining my YouTube family. As you can see here, the first thing that I'm doing is cleaning out the medicine cabinet. So I'm taking everything out, going through all the items to see what I can get rid of, and then I'm giving the cupboard a really good clean. Next I'm going to tackle the bottom cupboard underneath the vanity, underneath the sink. I don't keep many products under the sink because my daughter can reach that cupboard, but I've got things like my hairdryer, my husband's shaver, spare soap bars, things like that. And then I'm just going to clear that out and give it a good clean. And I'm also giving the two drawers a clean. The top drawer is, well, they're very small drawers, but the top drawer has all my makeup in it, and the bottom drawer just has some extra bits and pieces that are mine, and my husband actually has a sort of toiletry bag that he keeps everything in, and that sits on a stool beside the vanity cupboard. So I'm just talking real quietly because my daughter is asleep in the next room. But this is everything I have decluttered. These toothbrushes and toothpastes are things that my husband bought for travel, and he's going to keep those. So I'm just going to put them in the other room because there's not really a lot of room in our bathroom cupboard. And I have a separate basket in our bedroom closet for backup bathroom supplies. These here are empties, my husband's deodorant, so those are going to go in the recycling. A blush which I have just about used up, as you can see, but I've bought a new one since then and I like the new one a lot better, so I'm going to get rid of that. This makeup brush I'll just store away, I'll wash it. It's a foundation brush, but I just use my fingers to put my foundation on. Baby comb that's seen better days, that was my son's. I'm also going to get rid of this beauty blender. I don't really use beauty blenders, and this one's really old and obviously hasn't been cleaned in a while. A stray hair clip, the top of my pencil sharpeners, my lip liners and eyeliners, and I don't use the lid, so I'm just going to get rid of that. That is just an empty container that I kept in case I wanted to use it for like travel size supplies, but I don't use it, so that's going to go in the recycling. And a mirror that I don't use, so I'll donate that. Now that all the cupboards and drawers are clean inside and organised, I'm going to clean the bathroom, just a general wipe over. Also giving the shower glass a really good clean, and I didn't clean the inside of the shower because I usually clean that when I'm inside the shower, and of course I'm not going to film that for you.
So there is some bathroom decluttering and cleaning motivation for you. If you like this video, please do me a favour and hit the thumbs up button so I know that you like these types of videos, and if you'd like me to declutter something else in my house, let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.